What's the meaning of alkene? Alkene. 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 Alkene.
An alkene is a type of hydrocarbon that contains a carbon-carbon double bond. These molecules are unsaturated, meaning they can undergo addition reactions to form new compounds. Alkenes are commonly used in the production of plastic materials, such as polyethylene and polypropylene, as well as in the synthesis of various chemicals in industry. In addition, alkenes can be found naturally in certain plant oils and are important intermediates in many biological processes. Overall, the unique chemical properties of alkenes make them valuable building blocks for a wide range of applications in modern society.